Every minute counts in today's business world, where the majority of workers lose an average of 30 minutes daily to connectivity issues. Ensuring your company has access to robust IT support isn't just about preventing downtime. It's about expediting issue resolution to maintain productivity. As Kevin O'Connell, COO for PCS Managed Services, explains, the choice between managed services and break-fix isn't just about IT support, it's about shaping the future of your business. Selecting the right IT support model is a critical decision that goes beyond simple cost analysis. Managed services offer a more proactive approach, partnering with businesses to oversee and manage IT infrastructure and operations. This model ensures predictable pricing and includes comprehensive services like proactive monitoring, cybersecurity, data backup, and more. It's about harnessing technology not just to solve problems, but to drive strategic growth and innovation. On the other hand, break-fix services operate on a reactive basis and are ideal for businesses with less frequent IT demands or those with strong in-house IT teams. This model may seem cost-effective at first glance, but it often leads to higher expenses due to unforeseen emergencies and downtime. Choosing between managed services and break-fix is about more than fixing today's problems. It's about preparing for tomorrow's opportunities. It involves a strategic vision that incorporates IT into the core of planning, ensuring operational continuity while giving your business a competitive edge. If you're interested in gaining more insight into this topic, visit our website to read the full article. And don't forget to add this to your Spotify playlist for easy access.